Guys, welcome to London. So Giovanni came up with the idea, why don't we create a competition between us two?
The whole challenge will be done with GoPros only. We are filming on a Hero 10 right now. We're gonna have 5 minutes each in 3 different locations, 3 different iconic locations of London, and we'll have to take 1 picture each. At the end, we'll look who's done a better job.
And you guys are gonna pick for each photo. You're gonna drop a comment down here and tell us what you think. So we're gonna start rolling. We go to Trafalgar Square, that's the first location, and then we choose the other locations and we walk through London. Let's go.
Let's go. Trafalgar Square, 5 minutes, and it's gonna be quite challenging. Let's start. Timer in 3, 2, 1, go. All right, guys, this is gonna be hard. I've got a few options. First of all, I can walk on the building up here, but that's boring. Everybody does that. I think we're gonna go down the water. We got a GoPro. We can play with water. It's waterproof, it's strong, it's durable. By the way, 4.5 minutes. Mamo is laughing at me. This is my first vlog. Got to start somewhere. Look at him running. Loads of tourists, loads of tourists. The plan is to put the GoPro under the water, but I don't have testing. I got 1 take at it, 1 shot. And it does not look promising. All right, if I put the GoPro under the water, I might see some coins, but I might just have a blue picture. I don't know what I'm gonna see. Okay, I've got a little idea. I'm gonna take the GoPro off. I've got 2.5 minutes left. Let's do it. All right, cool. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Making sure it's in picture mode, which it isn't. Let's not drop it. That would not be fun. Okay, I've got my picture.
You got it.
I think it looks terrible, but it is what it is, right?
Another shot?
No, 1 take, that's it. Okay. 1 minute, 50 seconds to spare. I should have taken my time, but it's Mamo's turn now. So let's switch over and see how he does.
I kind of like the water, but not inside the water. So, do you know what, guys? I stopped right here, actually. I'm not going too far. I'm gonna take it here. I've got this nice statue here. I wanna see the actual National Gallery at the back and get the water. So in terms of settings, we don't have any limit. We can use anything here. So what I'm gonna ask from Giovanni is some ND filters. I wanna do a long exposure photography. Do you have any filter?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so my time is running out. Joe, give me the filters.
Okay.
What do you have? I need at least 32, I guess, or 60.
Well, 8, 16, 32.
Okay, 32, that would be.
Let's switch to
ND 32?
Okay. I leave it up to you. It's your challenge.
Grazie.
I want you to lose, not to win.
Okay. Go ND 32. Now, I need to remember how to do the long exposure. Okay, guys, I'm gonna choose here because I've got everything I want. I've got the statue, the fountain, and the National Gallery at the back. Setting up the tripod. Oh, I like that one. Giovanni, I'm gonna win this one. So, guys, don't forget to drop a comment down here. Oh my God. I need to remember the settings. Okay, let's just try that.
You had your shot, mate.
That's it.
That's it. You had your
I
shot.
think it failed,
You
guys.
should have thought about it beforehand.
So I couldn't do the long exposure. I don't remember how to do it. And I made a tutorial on it. Okay, let's go to the next location.
Let's go, guys.
Damn.
I may still have a chance, guys.
But we are going towards Chinatown, which is more vibrant and colorful, so we might find some good content there. So another thing we were just discussing with Giovanni, we forget how many settings we can actually use on the GoPro, right? And that's what freaked me out in the first shot. So we really need to think about the shot, the settings, and snap the photo, because we don't have any other option. 1 shot, 1 location.
I'm rushing. I should take my time and maybe wait up to the last 5 seconds and think through it before I shoot it, but we'll give it a go now. Chinatown. You can see all the red bits on top of here. Mamo's trying to confuse me because I have only 5 minutes, but I haven't started the timer yet. I'm quite embarrassed because I'm not used to vlog and the people are watching me. Timer starting in 3, 2, 1, go. So Mamo asked me where I'm going, but I didn't tell him. Not that I have any idea. I don't want to give him any ideas either. So 4 minutes, just walk around. I think I can walk around the whole place in about 3.5 minutes. Oh yeah, I have an idea. It's actually a very famous spot, which is very popular for photography. But if once I take it, Mamo cannot take it anymore. I'm cool, don't stress me. My idea is to shoot through one of those windows. There was one that I remember that had loads of like little water droplets. There's this steam buns in it. I'm stuck. Let's go. Oh my God, there's a queue here. How am I gonna get through this? Okay. Now I need a window. 3 minutes. Somewhere here. You know what's the thing? Mamo has time to think now while he's filming, eh? So that's not fair. We got Pikachu. What if I take a selfie? I think I'd say a selfie with Pikachu, but they want money. Let's see, let's think. 1 minute 30 seconds. Okay. I got an idea. I've been here before. It looks absolutely terrible. Got 1 minute 6 seconds. Let's see, what about this? Oh, that's absolutely terrifying. Otherwise, 50 seconds. I don't even know what to do anymore. I think I'm done here. I got 27 seconds. I'll take a wide shot of the whole place. Out of my way. Okay, 6 seconds. Ooh. Okay, time is off. I got my picture. I think I got nothing. But it's Mamo's turn now, and I'm gonna enjoy see him struggling. Timer started already. He needs the mic. 4 minutes 50 seconds of starting already.
Okay, let's go. Here I think it's gonna work some super view angle, like super wide. That could work in a way. We got these nice lanterns. But don't forget, we can take details of things. So if we find anything interesting, there's a bit of Tai Chi going on here. Not sure if that's something we want. How about this? Let's test things as well. I want to take some tests, but there's too many people. No, just through the frame.
Panicking, look at him.
Yeah, this is boring. I like the sky with clouds actually.
3 minutes 30 seconds.
Okay. It's pretty good. But I like the gate of Chinatown, the 2 gates. So those are pretty interesting. How much time, Giovanni? How much time?
How long? 2 minutes 44.
Okay, plenty of time. Okay, this is a classic. They're being portrait. That's pretty nice. We have some symmetry there. Or what from the other side? Classic. Ooh, okay. Wide angle of the gate and the lanterns right here. Ready? I'll put it. Woo! Actually, this is pretty cool. Nice. I get this guy as well.
Oh my God.
Let's go. Boom. Got it. I put the camera on the floor just to grab some of the
48
pavement.
seconds left.
Professionals.
Lucky one.
Let's go.
I think we're gonna move on now. We got one last location. We're going through Soho. Soho is gonna be an interesting one. It's similar to Chinatown in terms of business and people, but it's not as oriental. So let's see what we can get. Soho, 5 minutes, clock starting now. So the mistake I've done just before in Chinatown is running without thinking. I was trying to find something instead of trying to be a bit more creative. So yeah, that was a mistake. Next one. I don't really go around Soho too much. I've just seen a photo idea, but it requires me to ask permission to someone else, and I am embarrassed. So I don't know if I'm gonna do that, but you know what? I'll give it a go. This way. So there's a guy that looks great, but I'm gonna have to approach him and ask him. Sorry, mate. Sorry. Could I take a picture of you?
Yeah,
You look great. Thank you. Hold on. Just a picture, mate. Oh yeah, that looks great, man.
What's this for?
Just a challenge between us. We are 2 photographers. Amazing. Thank you very much, sir. We are 2 photographers. We're just challenging each other to take the best picture, and you look great. Thank you.
You're lost, obviously.
He lost for sure.
We'll see if we find someone else. No, you're not.
Yeah. All right, guys, that was mine. It took me about 1 minute 30 seconds, but I got something solid here.
Dude,
I think Mamo is gonna struggle now. Good luck with that.
I agree. That was amazing.
All right, guys, let's pass it over to Mamo. Woo. Here we go. Don't even need to stop.
No,
Do
we
it?
won't cut
No.
it. Okay, we go.
Let me just reset it. Damn, that is hard to beat.
Starting in 3, 2, 1, go.
That was the shot. I mean, Giovanni's gonna win this one, but this could be a proper Soho photo.
Oh my god.
Isn't it?
That's actually a pretty smart. Probably can have the background if you make that in the photo.
So let's try to frame it, because I actually like this one. What if I hold it as well? Let's see. Oh, I like.
That is
So,
unbelievable.
okay, guys, here I'm gonna use the timer now, because that's I can't do everything on my own. So
You got 4 minutes 30 seconds.
I'm rolling, bro. So I've got 10 seconds timer. Now we need to find the angle. This is a proper image of Soho, but I want to show you Soho in the background as well. So we can just be on the main road, which is Old Compton Street, and we could do some portrait. Oh, I like this too. I like the no entry in Soho, right? Can I do anything with the bike here? What if we put the flag as it was at the back of the bike? Okay, I got it. I have it. Sorry, there's the police just before we get arrested. But I got the timer right. So it's just now setting up the things properly. So let's go. We got 10 seconds timer. Because I can't, yeah.
That's actually
That's
good
it.
point.
That's it, guys. Easy, super easy. I mean, that's my shot.
Yeah, that's great.
I think
2
Giovanni's gonna
minutes
win
something.
anyway.
Yeah.
That man was like, woo!
We're almost done. We decided to have one more challenge because I think I'm a better photographer than Mamo, and Mamo thinks the same. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna choose a subject for each other to take a picture of, and we see who does a better job at being creative. Hey guys, your job is to tell me what to take a picture of right now.
You know what? I'll give you an easy one.
Okay?
This bike.
I knew you're gonna say something like that, but yes, I'm happy you made it easy for me. I'll make it hard for you, don't you worry. So here's one thing I wanna do. When I film, well, I don't really film bikes, but whenever I take stuff like this, I actually really like to get close with a GoPro, because otherwise it just looks like a wide angle thingy. One shot only. I got your timer. Damn it. I got your timer, I got people in the shot. That's your fault.
You can take another one. I give you.
No, I accept it because
It's my fault, but you didn't check, so that's your fault.
I'm gonna make your life so hard now.
Okay, so Giovanni is choosing my subject.
Alright,
5 minutes.
starting from now.
That's all good. That's all good. I'm a better photographer anyway.
You know what?
Oh, yes, please.
Alright, cool. You can take a picture of that orange bike. Now, that's quite a challenge because we both have a bike.
Yeah, but I definitely want to do a wide angle here.
Yeah, we clearly both
baby.
have a picture of a bike, so let's see who's gonna win that.
And the color is pretty cool too. So let's try a couple of tests, because this is pretty nice. No, from the front. Is it yours? Nice, man. Okay, guys. This guy is going on YouTube with us. Nice. So that's the owner, guys. We're gonna take this photo here. Man. Let me find the right photo first, and then
3 minutes.
easy. Do you know what? I'm Italian. Bar Italia right there. Let's take it in the background here.
2 minutes 50.
I got it, dude. I got it. I wait for the people to get out, and then I take it. Done. Okay, guys, we got it. I'm gonna say hello to the owner, and then we'll get back to you. All right, guys. One last thing to do. It's your turn. You're going to vote the best photo for each location. So drop a comment down here saying photo 1, Giovanni or Mamo, and so on until photo 4. Actually, we gave you one more.
Yeah. So guys, vote for me. Don't vote for him. That's all I have to say.
It was good to meet these two riders as well. Very kind. They let us take a shot of their motor, so they probably see it here. And if you guys do, hit the like button.
Yeah.
Right, we're gonna take the thumbnail picture, and we'll see you in the next video.
Catch you soon, guys.
Ciao.